Hey guys, Colby McLaughlin here with Trim Illusion. Just coming here to show our new product launch for the Toyota 4Runner. We have the replacement mirror caps now, which are the MC6314 BLK, and we have on our patented snap-on door handles, which is the DH6312 BLK. So it'll fit 10 to 21 4Runners. So really great way to quickly restyle a vehicle. We did this on the dealership lot, didn't need keys, anything like that. Just alcohol promoter, a rag, and a flathead screwdriver. So check out the install video, let us know what you think, and go to www.trimillusion.com for all your ordering needs.